Hi, next we discuss about equal amplitude and in phase quadrature. So the total phase difference, it can be given as psi is equal to beta d cos theta plus delta. Here beta d cos theta is the phase difference due to the path difference and delta is the relative phase difference due to the applied current. And here it is mentioned as in phase quadrature, that is pi by 2. So the resultant electric field is given as E is equal to E0 into E raised to j psi by 2 plus E0 into E raised to minus j psi by 2, and it can be rearranged as 2E0 into cos psi by 2. Then normalized electric field can be computed as En is equal to cos psi by 2. Here psi is beta d cos theta plus pi by 2. Substitute that. So you will get En is equal to cos beta d cos theta by 2 plus pi by 4. Next we want to draw the radiation pattern. For that we assume the distance between the antenna D is equal to lambda by 2. And substitute that here, and beta, we know that beta is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Substitute all these things, you will get cos pi by 4 plus pi by 2 cos theta. That is a normalized electric field. Next we want to find the maximum point, the null point and the half power points. The maximum occur at plus or minus 1. So the cosine have plus or minus 1 at plus or minus n pi. So equate to plus or minus n pi. When n is equal to 0, you will get pi by 2 cos theta is equal to minus pi by 4. And finally you will get theta is equal to 120 and 240. Here we consider n is equal to 0 only. In other cases, you will not get a realizable value. Next, we want to find the null point. The nulls occur at 0. So we want to equate cos pi by 4 plus pi by 2 cos theta to 0. And we know that cosine have 0 value at odd multiple of pi by 2. Then rearrange the equation. You will get theta is equal to 60 and 300. Here minus 60 means it is at 300. Then here also we consider n is equal to 0. You can check other values, but in other values of n you will not get any realizable quantity for cos theta. Then half power points. At half power points we know that the normalized electric field intensity is 1 by root 2 of its maximum value. So here it is plus or minus 1 by root 2. The plus or minus 1 by root 2 occur at odd multiple of pi by 4 for a cosine function. So equate that to cos pi by 4 plus cos theta pi by 2. So you will get theta is equal to 180 degree, 90 and 270 degree. So you will get the maximum value at 240 and 120, and the null points at plus 60 and minus 60. Minus 60 is 300, and half power points at 180 degree, 270 degree and 90 degree. So you will get a figure like this one. But when we check this figure, it is clear that in between 300 and 60, in this range, we didn't have any radiation pattern. But actually there is a radiation pattern. In order to find that radiation pattern, we assume some points in between these angles. That is, we want to consider the angle in between minus 60 and plus 60. Here we consider two values, that is theta is equal to 320 degree and theta is equal to 30. On substituting that to normalized electric field, you will get the values 0.4 and 0.5 respectively. Then you can complete this figure, and this is the backlog. And this structure is termed as cardioid structure. Okay, next we can move on to the last case, that is equal amplitude and any phase difference. So here the total phase difference, it can be represented as psi is equal to beta d cos theta plus delta, and we can compute the total electric field E is equal to E0 into E raised to j psi by 2 plus E raised to minus j psi by 2. It can be written as 2E0 into cos psi by 2. From that, the normalized electric field En become E by 2 E0, that is equal to cos psi by 2. Here psi is beta d cos theta plus delta. Delta is any phase difference. We consider delta is equal to 0. When we place delta is equal to 0, you will get the first case, case A, that is equal amplitude and same phase, same amplitude and same phase. When delta is equal to 180 degree, you will get the second case, that is equal amplitude and opposite phase. When delta is equal to 90 degree, you will get the case equal amplitude and in phase quadrature. That's all. Okay, thank you.